Hi everybody, it's Mr. Y back again, and this video is called Mr. Y Answers. So thank you very much for sending me in all of your questions that I've received. I'm going to try and do as many as possible, but I think you've all sent in about 3, sometimes more, and I'm going to aim to answer at least 1 or 2 of each, or otherwise we'll be here for a very long time. So I'm going to start with some questions that Ellie sent in, which I think are really interesting. So first one was, how long have you been a teacher? I've been a teacher for 7 years, I think. Yeah, 7 years. Her next question is, what inspired you to become a teacher? What inspired me was I did a bit of volunteering at a school that my mum worked at, and I just loved being around the kids, watching them learn, and I thought, you know what, I think I could do this. And then, what's your favourite thing about being a teacher? My favourite thing about being a teacher is break time. No, I'm joking. My favourite thing about being a teacher is just having fun in the classroom and trying to make every day a little bit different, and seeing people learn. That gives me a lot of joy. But thank you for those questions, Ellie. And she also sent in some riddles, which I'm generally not very good at these, but I'm gonna pick 2 of these. Actually, I'm gonna do all 3. So, what goes up but never comes down? I know this one is your age. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, and next one is, what am I? I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. Fire. It has to be fire. And then Mr. Red lives in the red house. Mr. Blue lives in the blue house. And Mr. Green lives in the green house. Who lives in the White House? So, 2 possible answers, really. It's either Mr. White or Mr. Trump. I'm going to go with Mr. Trump for that one. Okay, so thank you very much, Ellie. All right, I'm just going down my list. Oh, have some riddles here from Georgia. So thank you, Georgia. I'm just going to pick... Interesting. Okay, so number 1. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but come alive with wind. What am I? An echo, maybe? Is it an echo? I think it's an echo. And number 3, from her question, you see a boat filled with people. It has not sunk, but when you look again, you can't see a single person. Why? Oh dear. There's no windows? I don't know, Marina, do you know the answer to this?
What? No.
No? Thea? No. You're going to have to help me with that one, Georgia, because I don't know the answer. Moving on. We've got some more riddles from Rohan, sorry. I go around in circles, but always straight ahead. I never complain, no matter where I'm led. What am I? I'm going to say it's a wheel. I think it's a wheel. Number 2, we hurt without moving. We poison without touching. We hear the truth and lies. Don't judge us by our size. What are we? I don't know. I'm not very good at these. And number 3, there is a word where the first 2 letters mean male, the first 3 letters mean a female, the first 4 letters symbolize a great man, and the whole word symbolizes a great woman. So first 2 letters symbolize a male, he. First 3 letters mean female, her. Okay, 4 letters symbolize hero. The whole word, heroine. The word is heroine. Yes. A great woman, a female hero, a heroine. Thank you, Ryan. Those were good ones. I particularly like that last one. Really gets you thinking. All right. it's just, oh, I've got some in my book here. So these are from Thomas. Thank you, Thomas. He asks me, which planet was Luke and Leia Skywalker born on? I do know this. And Luke and Leia were not born on a planet. They were born on an asteroid called Polis Massa, shortly after the Jedi Purge began. So there's the answer to that. And this one had me confounded when I first read it. Which is a true nut? A peanut, a hazelnut, or a cashew nut? The answer is the Yakumi nut. I don't know, are they all... Is it hazelnut? I don't know what makes a nut and what doesn't. What makes a nut, Marina?
I think a cashew is a fruit.
Is a cashew a fruit? Who knows? And then question 3 is, how is Thea? If you want to find out how Thea is, she can tell you herself. Come on, over here. Here she is. Hey. Thea, how are you? Thomas wants to know how you are. Are you good? Okay, she's not very talkative right now. You're not talkative? But yeah, Thea's not been helping me with the questions because she can't speak yet. Okay, so Thea, you're going to sit here with me? Yeah? You sit here with me, do a few of these questions. Oh, you're a bit small. Let's keep you there. You comfortable? Okay. So, got some questions from Isra. Can you say, I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch? Then repeat as many times as you can. I can try, Isra. I can try. So, I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I can't do it. Okay, let's try one more time. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Is that funny? I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Okay, can you say cinnamon, aluminium, linoleum? I can, and repeat as many times as I can. Okay, cinnamon, aluminium, linoleum. Cinnamon, aluminium, linoleum. Cinnamon, aluminium, linoleum. Cinnamon, aluminium, linoleum. And then, can you say strange strategic statistics? I reckon I can do this one really easily. Strange strategic statistics. Strange strategic statistics. Strange strategic statistics. Strange strategic statistics. That's not how you say it. Strange strategic statistics. Oh, there's a fourth one. Can you say how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Oh my goodness. Then reply with, he would chuck he would as much as he could and chuck as much as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Okay. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck he would as much as he could and chuck as much as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Yeah! I nailed that one. Didn't we? Yeah, we nailed it. Let's move the laptop a little bit. Get your little feeties in there. Okay. All right, thank you, Israel. That was fun. I really enjoyed that. Okay, scanning down. I'm just going. Stay up. Stay still. Oh, you little pudding. Little pudding. Okay, let's swiftly moving forward. Sorry, my laptop's being a bit slow, so forgive me while I just quickly go down to the next set of questions. Alright, we're looking... Do crested geckos have eyelids? That's a question from Ethan. I think crested geckos have more than one set of eyelids, but I might be wrong, and it's something I'm going to check now. Little one. You're moving around too much. I'm gonna pass you back to Mama. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody. Bye-bye. Yay. Yay. There we go. Thank you, Thea, for your help. Okay, do crested geckos have eyelids? Let's find out. No, they don't. They don't have eyelids. They have a transparent scale or spectacle which keeps each eye moist, and they use their tongues to clear away debris. Interesting. Then I thought they did have eyelids, but shows you what I know. And oh, the blog is moving again. Oh, okay. Here's some riddles from Scarlett. There is a one-story house in which everything is yellow. Yellow walls, yellow doors, yellow furniture, etc. But what colour are the stairs? I know why you put easiest here. There are no stairs because it's a one-story house. Little bungalow. Advanced. What word in the English language has 3 consecutive double letters? 3 consecutive double letters. So does that mean 3 pairs? Just a little bit of cheating here. It's got me stumped. I don't know. Let's my internet is appalling. It's going to frustrate me if I can't find the answer. It's a really, really good question, that. 3 consecutive double letters. Does anybody else know? The world's slowest internet is about to... Oh, wow. Okay, I get you. The answer is bookkeeper. So you've got 2 O's, followed by 2 K's, followed by 2 E's. That's a great question. Thank you. Thank you, Scarlett. All right, going down. Oh, interesting. Okay, we've got some questions from Freddie. Can you please say this tongue twister that my dad told me? Oh, yeah, I'm not very good at these, but here we go. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, and did the people eat the peppers Peter Piper picked? Repeat twice. Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, and did the people eat the peppers Peter Piper picked? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, and did the people eat the peppers Peter Piper picked? Number 2, when we get back to school, can we have our treat as Gadget Day? If we return before the end of the year, you earn the Gadget Day, so yeah, you will have the Gadget Day. As I said before, I keep my promises, so if we return to school before the end of the year, then we certainly will do that. And number 3, can you interact more in PE lessons, and can we do our football? I will try and interact with the yoga a bit more. And as for the football league is currently cancelled. If they reboot it, we will be doing it. I would love to do that. Right, and then I've got some here from James. What is the origin of April Fool's Day? Fool's Day. Not sure. It seems really complicated. I thought it was just a joke thing, but again, I don't know. I don't know when April Fool's Day, why it is. Okay, apparently on April 1st, 1700, English pranksters began popularising the annual tradition of April Fool's Day by playing practical jokes. Some people say that it was they changed the calendar from the Julian calendar to the Gregorian calendar in 1582, and some people were too slow to catch up, and so people started making fun of them about it, and it just happened to be in April, and they decided, yeah, April Fool's Day, and that's where it came from. I think that brings us to the end of the questions. I just realised how long I've been talking for now. Yeah, I'm gonna... Oh no, here we go, some more. Question from Jude. How small is the smallest thing in the world? I think when we looked on scale of the universe, the theoretical smallest things in the world were things like quantum string. But you said how small? How small is the... If you haven't checked out the scale of the universe, I've put it in the links on useful links on the website. It's a really good website to check out. How small is the smallest thing in universe? Bless you. They believe the smallest possible thing is 0.000000000000001 meters across. So yeah, pretty small, and they think that might be like the Higgs boson. Don't ask me to explain that because it confuses me. And there was another question that Jude had, which was, and the computer's frozen. I do know we had a question about why pigs use mud to clean themselves. Do you know why pigs use mud to clean themselves? Thea? Thea, do you know why pigs clean themselves with mud? No, she doesn't. Oh, that was the other question she'd had. It's how big is the biggest nebula that we've ever discovered? I imagine it's several hundred light years across, but largest nebula is the Tarantula Nebula, which is 170,000 light years away from Earth, and well, it is 1,000 light years wide. 1,000 light years. That's quite incredible, actually, to think that it would take light 1,000 years to get from one point, from one side of it to the other side. It's crazy. But yeah, I think that brings us to the end of all the questions that I've had. Oh, please, laptop, just move. If I've missed any questions, please let me know on the blog, and I'll do another smaller video like this. And if you do want me to do this again, let me know. Yeah, thank you, everyone. I've been Mr. Y. This has been Thea, who's dribbling all over my hand right now. Thank you, Thea. Thank you, baby. And we hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you all really soon. Stay safe, and take care of yourselves.